The Favorites feature lets you adjust your contact list so that your most important contacts appear at the top. Setting a commonly called contact to a favorite eliminates the need to scroll down a list each time you search for a contact. Contacts selected as favorites will be listed first alphabetically and then according to their availability. To set a favorite, hold the center button until the secondary menu appears. Using the directional keys, select Set Favorite. The contact is now at the top of your contact list. Next, find a contact that isn't currently signed in. Hold the center key, then select Set Favorite. Now your most commonly called contacts will be conveniently at the top of your contacts list. To reorganize, follow the previous steps, then select Clear Favorite, and the contact will resume its previous state. For additional assistance, visit the ESChat support page.